Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you guys been smelling good. Okay, so today what I'm going to be doing is, since today is Halloween, I'm going to be getting ready to be a witch. Okay, so I have my witch's broom, but I'm not going to use that right now. I'm going to use that later. So first what we're going to do is we're going to do my makeup and I'm going to do a tutorial of how to become a witch. Basically, all you need is just a witch costume, a broom, and this kit, which was like $4. So, one is for your nose, prosthetic chin, some face paint, sponge, teeth, and some cosmetic glue. So, that's all we're going to do so far. So my mum's going to help me, but she's going to do some other stuff. But first what I'm going to do is open it up. Because my mum's going to help me, but, you know. In my next video, I'm going to be editing the video because I edit these all the time. But I don't edit them as good. Ooh. Smells very pretty. Okay, ready? That tastes really gross. I wonder if to like spray some flavoured stuff on it. Anyway, got the nice sponge to put the makeup on. I don't want to touch this whatsoever, to be honest. But we're gonna do it. Alright, ready? I don't want to touch it. Ew. Ew. I think I might just put the chin on. It stinks on.
What?
These.
Smells like plastic.
I don't like this one with plastic. Ew.
Oh, you can just do the green.
I'll just do green face paint then, guys.
Do you want a headband?
Yes, please, Mummy.
I'll open the car and you go grab it from the front seat.
So Mum's gonna go open the car and go from the front seat. So I'll be back in like a couple of minutes. Not a couple of minutes, like 1 minute. To be honest, 1 minute.
Should be on the floor, okay?
Okay, so it's on the floor, as my mum said, so I'll be back.
Or hanging up on where the masks go.
So guys, I'm back, but I can't find the headband, so I'm gonna have to go tell my mom. Mommy? Mama? I can't find the headband.
It's white. It's white.
Oh, I touched it.
Okay, can you turn the microwave off for me?
I'll be back, guys, 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. Okay guys, I'm back. That was pretty quick. Ready. So I'm gonna tie it up and then get the rest of the hair. Tie my hair up. And then get the headband and pull the rest of my hair back. Hold on. I might have to do a part 2 to this, even though I haven't been doing part 2s to all my videos I keep saying I will. There we go, that's better. Perfect. Right, now we're just going to get the sponge and we're just going to go like this and put it on, I guess. I don't know if I have to wet the sponge. Hold on. Is there instructions on what to do? I'm so confused. Hold on. Where's the instructions? There is no instructions. Whatever. I'm just gonna get a piece of green paint, I guess, and just go like this and just... I guess that's what we do. I know what to do. Okay. I know what to do, guys. Okay, so all you gotta do is you've just got to grab some face paint. You just gotta grab your face paint. You've got to get heaps of it on the sponge or wherever you want and just go like this. And then you can blend it in later. My grandfather's coming soon to drop something off to me. And by the way, guys, we're not in lockdown, so don't come. Oh my god. Face paint on the table. Whatever. Oh, but it's not really witchy so far. We're just gonna trust the process, guys, okay? Trust the big process. Ooh. We're just gonna put some here. I have a Halloween party very soon I've got to go to. So, yay! Online though, guys, because since their parents don't want... Well, I actually planned it. So I'm the one who's meant to be there. So this is my Halloween party that I've got to go to. So I've got to be there at 11:30, and it's like nearly that time right now. So I've got to hurry up and do my makeup. So I'm gonna go, guys. And I won't do a part 2. Maybe, I don't think so. I'm gonna have to do it online with my friend. But if you want a tutorial on something else, if you guys want a tutorial on how to do something else, please let me know, and I will do it. So, yeah, I probably won't do a part 2. It's just that I've got a Halloween party to go to, and I can't spend all my time doing this on YouTube, so I'm very sorry, guys. But I will do another video of me doing something else, and there will be many parts to it, or it will be all in one video. So, love you guys. Hope you, thank you for watching, and love you guys. Peace.